Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Reshade menu not opening. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go to the game that you have installed the Reshade in, and you should locate a file called reshade.ini. After you locate the file reshade.ini, you should right click on it, and it will show you this menu. Just click on edit in Notepad, then it will open this interface or this text right here. You should look for input, and here you have this number 360. Just open this website, TopTal, and instead of using the home menu with the 36 input, you should use another button, which here in my case I will use 5. So I'm going to press on 5, and this is the event key, and the number for the event key of 5 will be 53. So now I will have to go back and open the notepad, then change this value from 360 to 53. Then I'm going to click on the file menu on the top right here. Then I'm going to click on Control plus S or click on save. Once you're all done, here you can see this pop-out message when you open the game. It tells you that you should press 5 to start the tutorial. So press 5 and it will open this menu right here. You can click on continue or skip tutorial. And if you want to change this number, you can go to the settings on the top left side right here. Then go and click on overlay key and change this key if you need to do so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.